Akrapovic Full Moon. The Akrapovic Full Moon is a top-of-the-line motorcycle exhaust designed to boost both performance and style. Engineered with precision, it improves engine efficiency, increases horsepower, and reduces weight, giving riders a smoother, sharper, and more responsive ride. Its sleek and modern design not only looks amazing on any bike, but also produces a deep, powerful sound that grabs attention everywhere. Built from high-quality materials, the Full Moon is durable enough to handle intense riding conditions while maintaining peak performance. It's easy to install and works with many bike models, making it a favorite for motorcycle enthusiasts who want to upgrade both function and appearance. Beyond looks and sound, it enhances throttle response and acceleration, giving riders a sportier feel on every ride. Whether cruising on the streets or pushing limits on the track, the Akrapovic Full Moon transforms the riding experience, making it more thrilling and exciting. It perfectly balances performance, reliability, and style, turning an ordinary bike into a standout machine. For anyone looking to add power, superior sound, and eye-catching design, the Full Moon is an essential upgrade that makes every ride unforgettable. The AMB 0001 is a stunning motorcycle that blends the elegance of Aston Martin with the craftsmanship of Bro Superior, creating something truly one of a kind. First revealed at the 2019 EICMA show in Milan, this bike is more than just a machine. It's a masterpiece. With only 100 units ever made, it instantly became a rare collector's dream. Built from lightweight titanium and aluminum, the AMB 001 weighs just 397 pounds. But don't let that fool you. Under its sleek frame lies a powerful 61 cubic inch turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 180 horsepower. The BMW CE004 is not your ordinary scooter. It's a futuristic ride designed to completely transform the way we move through cities. With its bold, sleek design, low-stretched body, and floating seat, it looks more like a concept vehicle from a sci-fi film than a daily commuter. But it's not just about looks. The CE04 is fully electric and delivers instant torque, giving you smooth and powerful acceleration that makes city riding exciting and effortless. On a single charge, its high-capacity battery provides a solid range, making it perfect for daily commutes or longer urban adventures. Charging is quick and convenient, so you're always ready to hit the road. BMW has also equipped the CEO4 with advanced features like a bright 10.25-inch color display, smartphone connectivity, and customizable riding modes, keeping riders connected, informed, and in control. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with ABS, traction control, and a stable frame ensuring a confident ride in all conditions. The BMW CE04 is more than just a scooter. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a groundbreaking motorcycle concept that shows what the future of riding could be. Created to celebrate BMW's 100th anniversary, this bike is more than just transportation. It's an experience that blends freedom, safety, and innovation. One of its most impressive features is the self-balancing system, which keeps the motorcycle steady whether it's moving or standing still. This makes riding safer and more enjoyable, even for beginners, by giving a sense of confidence and control on every journey. Another revolutionary element is the replacement of traditional helmets with a high-tech visor. This visor projects real-time information, navigation, and alerts directly into the rider's field of view, creating a seamless connection between rider and machine. The bike is powered by a clean, emission-free system, proving that eco-friendly technology can still deliver thrilling performance. Its bold, futuristic design combines minimalism with elegance, while its flexible frame gives it a unique and dynamic look unlike anything on today's roads. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a vision of tomorrow, where riding becomes safer, smarter, and more connected, while keeping the pure excitement of freedom on two wheels alive. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a futuristic motorcycle concept that shows how riding could look in the years ahead. It's not just about speed or design. It's about creating a smarter, safer, and more connected experience. The bike features a bold black triangle frame with BMW's iconic blue and white badge, giving it a modern yet timeless look. Its design is smooth and cable-free, while joint-free steering and advanced self-balancing technology keep the bike stable at all times, so there's no need for a kickstand. This makes the ride feel effortless and secure, even for beginners. One of its most exciting features is the replacement of a traditional helmet with smart glasses. These glasses connect the rider to the bike and the road, projecting real-time information like speed, navigation, and potential hazards right into the rider's vision. This futuristic system keeps the rider fully aware and in control without breaking concentration. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of how technology and design can work together to redefine fine freedom on two wheels. By combining safety, innovation, and excitement, it promises a riding experience unlike anything we know today. BMW S1000RR. The BMW S1000R is a superbike built for speed, precision, and excitement. Its 999cc engine delivers 205 horsepower, reaching top speeds of 188 miles per hour, 303 kilometers per hour. Lightweight and agile, it handles sharp turns with ease, making it perfect for both track and road rides. Advanced features like traction control, ABS, quick shift gears, and multiple ride modes give riders smooth control at high speeds. Powerful Brembo brakes ensure precise stopping, while its aerodynamic design keeps it stable in fast corners. Combining raw power with smart engineering, the S1000RR offers a thrilling yet manageable ride. Starting around $20,000, it's a premium bike for those seeking unmatched performance, technology, and adrenaline on every ride. BMW Spirit Concept. The BMW Spirit concept is a bold vision of what the future of motorcycling could look like, built around the idea of creating a deeper connection between rider and machine. Instead of being just a vehicle, this concept is designed to feel like a natural extension of the rider's body, combining the excitement of motorcycling with the intelligence of advanced AI. As artificial intelligence becomes more important in our daily lives, BMW imagines a bike that can understand its rider, adapt to their style, and respond almost instinctively. The Spirit concept uses smart technology to create a human-machine symbiosis, where the rider doesn't just control the motorcycle, but interacts with it in a seamless and almost emotional way. This new approach could lead to safer, more intuitive rides, while also making the overall experience more engaging and personal. With its futuristic design and focus on innovation, the BMW Spirit concept shows how AI and mobility can merge to redefine freedom on two wheels. It's not just about speed or performance, it's about trust, connection, and a completely new kind of riding experience that feels alive and responsive to its rider. Ducati Desert X. The Ducati Desert X is a powerful adventure bike built for riders who love off-road exploration and long-distance journeys. Its high-performance engine provides strong, smooth power that makes tackling dirt trails, rocky paths, and highways equally thrilling. Designed for tough conditions, the Desert X features a sturdy frame, long-travel suspension, and spoked wheels, ensuring stability and durability no matter where you ride. Advanced electronics like traction control, ABS, and multiple ride modes give riders confidence and control in every situation, from slippery surfaces to rough terrain. The bike's aggressive and distinctive design makes it stand out, while comfortable ergonomics and responsive handling keep every ride enjoyable, whether it's a short trip or a long adventure. Built with premium components, the Desert X combines reliability, technology, and performance to create an unforgettable riding experience. It's perfect for those who crave freedom and excitement, offering both off-road capability and on-road comfort. Every journey on the Ducati Desert X feels like an adventure, turning every trail, highway, or back road into a thrilling ride. For riders ready to explore and push their limits, the Desert X delivers the ultimate combination of power, control, and iconic Ducati style. The Ducati Diavel 1260 Lamborghini is an extraordinary motorcycle that brings supercar-level speed and style to the road. With a top speed of 272 kilometers per hour, it offers thrilling performance while keeping every ride smooth and controlled. Limited to only 630 units worldwide, this bike is a rare collector's item, combining cutting-edge Italian engineering with exotic, head-turning design. Its bold, aggressive look is inspired by Lamborghini, featuring forged wheels and the exclusive Sean FKP 37 livery that makes it stand out wherever it goes. The Diavel 1260 Lamborghini is built for both high-speed cruising and sharp handling, giving riders an exciting yet comfortable experience. Brembo brakes and Öhlins suspension ensure safety and stability, even at high speeds, so you can enjoy the full power of the bike with confidence. The Ducati X-Diavel V4 is a motorcycle that perfectly blends power, comfort, and style, creating a ride that feels like no other. Unlike a typical cruiser, the X-Diavel V4 carries Ducati's racing spirit, delivering the thrill of high performance while still offering the laid-back comfort of a cruiser. At its core is the V4 Gran Turismo engine, a masterpiece that delivers smooth acceleration, strong torque, and exhilarating speed, making it just as enjoyable on city streets as it is on open highways. Its design is bold and eye-catching, with a low-slung body, wide tires, and muscular lines that give it an aggressive yet elegant look. The attention to detail is unmistakable. Every curve and finish reflects Ducati's premium craftsmanship. Beyond looks and power, the X-Diavel V4 is packed with advanced technology. Riders get multiple modes to customize their experience: traction control, cornering ABS for added safety, and a sharp TFT display that keeps everything simple and connected. Comfort has also been prioritized, with an ergonomic design and relaxed riding position that make long journeys a pleasure. Ehora M1P Pro. The Ehora M1P Pro is a stylish and powerful electric motorcycle that brings together performance, comfort, and modern technology. Designed for both urban commuting and longer rides, it delivers strong acceleration and impressive top speeds thanks to its high-performance hub motor. Paired with a large-capacity battery, it offers a solid riding range on a single charge, giving riders the confidence to travel without constant recharging. Its sleek design features a low-slung frame, bright LED lighting, and a comfortable seat that makes every ride enjoyable. The bike is also packed with advanced features such as a digital display for real-time information, multiple riding modes to suit different conditions, and smartphone connectivity that adds convenience and control. The FMC Storm is a stunning custom motorcycle that proves what passion, patience, and creativity can achieve. Built by Fabman Creations in South Africa, this incredible machine started out as a BMW R9T, but has been completely reimagined into something truly unique. Its full aluminum bodywork makes it look like a knight's shining armor, while the bold air intakes are inspired by jet fighters, giving it a sleek yet aggressive personality. The rivet-like detailing across the frame adds an industrial edge, making the Storm feel more like a piece of moving art than just a motorcycle. While its design is dramatic, the FMC Storm keeps the riding experience simple and focused. It features a clean, minimal dashboard and even removes the traditional ignition key for a more modern approach. This mix of raw power, futuristic design, and simplicity reflects the true spirit of custom craftsmanship. Fabman Creations has said that producing the Storm on a larger scale would be expensive. Fuller Moto's Futuristic custom motorcycle is a breathtaking blend of vintage style and modern technology. Designed by the American team Fuller Moto, this one-of-a-kind creation takes inspiration from the iconic 1929 Majestic motorcycle, but pushes it into the future with advanced design techniques. Instead of sticking to traditional methods, the builders used cutting-edge 3D printing and strong materials like titanium to craft a bike that feels both classic and futuristic. One of its most eye-catching features is the pair of 23-inch hubless wheels, made from tough polycarbonate, which give the motorcycle a bold and futuristic presence. To bring it to life, the builders used parts from the Zero Motorcycle FXS electric bike, giving it a fully electric heart. Named the 2029, this bike delivers a range of about 100 miles per charge and can hit speeds of up to 85 miles per hour, proving that it's not just for show, but also performance-ready. Created as a centerpiece for the Haas Moto Museum, this motorcycle is more than just a machine. It's a piece of rolling art. By combining the elegance of the past with the innovation of the future, Fuller Moto has built something truly unforgettable. Hey Bike Hero. The Hey Bike Hero is a smart and stylish electric bike designed for riders who want a fun, efficient, and eco-friendly way to travel. Its powerful electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and quiet performance, making city commutes, park rides, or weekend adventures effortless and enjoyable. The lightweight yet strong frame makes handling easy, while the comfortable seat and ergonomic design ensure every ride feels smooth, even on longer trips. High-quality tires and responsive brakes provide stability and safety on different terrains, giving riders confidence wherever they go. The Hey Bike Hero is simple to use, with intuitive controls that make it perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. Its sleek, modern design turns heads, while the low-maintenance electric system makes it practical for everyday use. Whether you're weaving through busy streets, cruising along scenic paths, or exploring new routes, the Hero offers a perfect balance of comfort, performance, and reliability. The Honda Riding Assist is a futuristic motorcycle concept that takes safety and ease of riding to a whole new level. Its standout feature is the ability to balance itself, even when the rider is not moving. This self-balancing technology makes it far less likely for the bike to tip over, especially at low speeds or while stopping, giving riders extra confidence on the road. What makes it even more impressive is that Honda achieved this without using heavy gyroscopes. Instead, the system smartly adjusts the steering and balance in a natural way, keeping the motorcycle light, agile, and smooth to handle. The design is sleek and modern, reflecting Honda's commitment to blending style with innovation. It's built not just for performance, but also for comfort and everyday practicality.